In today's data driven world, businesses are collecting more data than ever before. But where does it all go? And how can we make sense of it? Enter the data lake. Let's dive in and explore how it works. What is data lake? A data lake is a centralized repository where you can store raw data, whether structured, semi structured, or unstructured. Unlike a data warehouse, data lake stores data in a native format until needed. Key features of data lake. Data lakes can store all types of data from structured databases to videos, images, and even logs. This makes them incredibly versatile. Schema on read. Unlike data warehouse, which require a predefined schema, data lakes apply schema on read. This means the data is stored as is, and the structure is applied only when it's needed. Scalability. Data lakes are built to scale. As your data grows, so can your lake. Make it ideal for big data projects. Cost effective. Thanks to cloud services, data lake can store vast amounts of data at a relatively low cost compared to traditional systems. How is data used in a data lake? Once your data is in the lake, it can be processed and analyzed. Tools like Apache Hadoop and Spark or cloud services like AWS and Azure can help extract insight from your raw data to fuel business intelligence, machine learning, and more. Difference between data lake and data warehouse. People often confuse data lakes and warehouses, but they are quite different. In data warehouse, data is cleaned and structured before storage. In data lake, data remains raw until it's analyzed. This difference allows more flexibility but require careful governance. Use cases of data lakes. Data lakes are used across industries. In healthcare, they can store patient records and medical images. In finance, they hold transactional data. And in retail, they help companies understand customer behavior by storing web logs and purchase histories. Challenges with data lakes. However, data lakes are not without challenges. Without proper management, they can run into data swamps. Huge pools of data with no clear structure or governance. Implementing strong data management and governance practices is essential. So data lakes are powerful tools for storing and analyzing large amount of data, but they need careful management. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insight on data management.